Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making hummus quesadillas. This is so easy and so delicious. You're going to love it. I'm using my homemade hummus, which I will link the recipe down below, and we're going to add some black beans and some onions and peppers, and you're just going to make it like a regular quesadilla. But once that hummus gets warm, it just has such a delicious flavor. It changes the flavor a bit, kind of tastes cheesy. It's really good, so let's get started. These quesadillas are going to be gluten-free. I'm using these cassava flour tortillas. You can get these at Whole Foods or probably any health food store. They're really good, and they just give it a unique flavor, and give it a try. Or you can use regular flour tortillas, or you could use corn tortillas, but today I'm using these cassava flour tortillas. So I've got my tortillas all ready to go. I've got my homemade hummus. So I'm just going to put some on one side. You want to use a fair, generous amount. Next, we're going to add some black beans. You could use pinto beans or whatever kind of beans you would like. Just sprinkle a few of those on there. And then I sauteed some sweet onion, red and green bell pepper. I chopped the peppers up fairly small. I just water sauteed them. And then at the end, I just put a little lime juice and salt on there. So I'm just gonna add that to the mix. Then we're gonna put the other tortilla on top. And I've got a nice hot pan over here heating up. So we're gonna kind of smush it down a bit and then cover it and let it cook until the one side gets brown, and then we're gonna flip it. So we're all done. This recipe literally takes minutes. It's so good. And I want to show you. It's just golden brown. You got that onion there. See all the filling, the hummus. I'm just pairing this with some salsa. You could use guacamole, whatever. You could fill these with whatever you want. Be creative. That's the beauty of this dish. It can be different every time. Change up the bean, change up the veggies. So let's give this a try. It's gonna be hot, just came out of the oven. Not the oven, off the stove. Oh my gosh. So good, you guys. Unbelievable. That sweet onion, the little tang of the lime that I put on the veggies at the end, and they're still a little bit, the veggies are still a little bit crisp. Nice and crunchy on the outside, creamy hummus on the inside. You definitely have to give this a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you hadn't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.